Kaseng Pol Parish Molos Naik Kalayo penhap perdano ika Lympung Inter School Sport Meet Arjar Arpulai kabel long ars ngilenter kabel sedang naduk hat proterik bala penkut aka arpoterik Jemang Arjar Arpulai kabel penhap perdana urakam esang ma obdei Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih aka jelakum Kongsan bad buat Charles Marngar MLA bad MDC ke Mawati Constituency ke Musubut Kongsan haringkat ke Jindon Langru video ke Umsling Sinar di blog ubak Syempang Lingdo ki fadar ki sesar lembat kinu hikai school Santali ke school ke baya poi ban mentah kata ke Lympung Sport Meet kilong ke Plielad Secondary School ke Kendauso RCLP School ke Tatrang UP School ke Saint Teresa Secondary School Terso bat ne kita ke Santali ke school ke belara ke nam Lahduh kum ke champion da ke Plielad Secondary School ke belak khor bun kita ke maksiar
berpau kenyan kum nong ni keman jong ke constituency ke kwa banong AA kenyan bang menajong nama bang UI bang konsensi ke jongi kedai ke konsensi ke badan sadin hadung kata-kata ipai ke school ke jongi iso kemana ke sengi ban EAP idon santri ke school kata ke Kendauso RCLP school ai play pi kinong hikai idon ke Tatrang UP school idon ane ke Saint Teresa Secondary School Terso ke Plielad bat kunjuru ke Saint Paul Medium English School baru di school kita mengidon nak kena gedong ke kain gedongi idon dan hadeng di jindungan. Tenang kita kedau kumunong mi keman, lebih belajar kena. Kedai ke kabuk siar kena, pengayo penpau keman jong minister badan badan. Sir, Honorable Minister, respected sir, on behalf of our schools. Saint Paul School, Plielad, and other schools nearby the Saint Paul and Plielad School. If you look at the infrastructure, if you look at the main problem that we are facing, the salary for the teachers, we face a lot of problems. Therefore, sir, I'm standing here this afternoon. I have a request on behalf of the schools in these areas. I'll come and meet you in your office chamber, and I will bring along the application from different schools. Because if you go and see the school building, the infrastructure, I don't have words to say. All schools, we have to repair, we have to renovate. So therefore, on behalf of the people of my constituency, I humbly request you to kindly help us for the infrastructure at school buildings.
I would advise that this competition be the lesson, be the swell for your future endeavor. Friends, last 2 weeks back, I was in London to participate in the World Education Forum Meet, where more than 150 education ministers has attended the gathering. And the most debate and the most topic was the challenges of computer science and artificial technology, artificial intelligence in the world today, the global level. Therefore, the whole concept was to understand the challenges and to utilize the computer science and artificial intelligence in this generation. Therefore, globally, the world is on the track to upgrade the standard of our education system. Therefore, along with the world standard, Human Resource Development Government of India also has designed a new education policy to upgrade the standard of our education system along in the global level. Therefore, in the same line, Education Department Government of Meghalaya is leaving no stone unturned to upgrade the standards of our education system in the state so that our students will be second to nobody in the days to come. Therefore, it's high time for us also to upgrade the standard of our education system. And at the same time, I would like to appeal to both all of my dear students and my dear teachers. Let us prepare ourselves in all respect and giving quality education so that our children, our people receive the best education in the days to come. Therefore, so that our children will prepare to meet the challenges, the measure that will be coming tomorrow in front of us. Therefore, my friends, as when I see the mass pass and the parade and the different activities, the singing, the dancing, and all the activities that where our students have beautifully presented. It was beautiful, and I hope the singing and all the activities that where our students have beautifully presented. It was beautiful, and I hope the sports, different activities that you participated might have been very, very beautiful, and it has really encouraged and motivated, and I hope you have enjoyed it. Therefore, I would like to express my gratefulness to all the class teachers, to all the principal headmaster for making all those activities happen beautifully. Therefore, friends, we are here at Maulasnai Playground. It is just a small playground. Therefore, I want to tell my students, today you have played here. It may be different sports, maybe 100 meters, it may be relay race, and it may be different activities that you have played in this last 2 days. It may be small playground for you, but tomorrow you will be representing in the silo of your district, of your region, of your on behalf of your schools and institutions. And maybe in the days to come, you will represent Meghalaya, maybe at the national level. The days to come, you have to represent yourself to the globally and the world competition. Therefore, I would like to encourage my dear students, not only in the sport, it may be in your studies, it may be in the sport. I would like to appeal the students from the Meghalaya state, and especially those students who are here today. Please do not think only about Maulasnai Playground and the Plielad Secondary School and any other schools. You have to represent one day the state Meghalaya. You have to represent India at a global level.